I heartily welcome you to this video. By using this app, you can add, view and delete products, and most importantly, you can generate invoice and analyze your business. This is the zip file of our software. User have to extract it and install it. You will get a folder like this. Click on it. This file contains our application, source code and logo. Click on the application, it will open. This is the main window of our app, the digital billing. This is our app's logo, the digital billing, new days, new ways. Below logo, there is a welcoming line which says a small business tool for big business success. Over here, we have a help desk section which contains about the software and for help buttons. When you click on about the software, this contains the information about the software. When you click on for help button, it shows the information of each and every button which displayed on your screen, like generate invoice, analysis, manage products, etc. On your left side, there is a menu section which contains manage products, generate invoice, analysis and quit button. For a new user, if he clicks on any of the buttons like generate invoice or analysis, it will show an error because it doesn't have any stored information in our CSV file to show information for generate invoice or analysis. An existing user can continue with generate invoice and analysis, but a new user should add some products through manage products. Click on manage products. It will open. After clicking, it shows three options. Enter 1 to add products, 2 to view and 3 to delete products. Press 1. After clicking on 1, you have to tell how many products do you want to add. Let's say 2. Now you have to enter whether it's your first time entry or not in terms of Y or N only. If user is giving answer not in terms of Y or N, it will show an error. I have given the input O instead of Y and N. It will again ask me to give the answer in Y and N terms only. It will reject the response which I gave in O. Now enter name of the product and selling price excluding GST. Enter GST in percent and enter name of second product and now enter selling price and GST. This is the data frame and automatically a CSV file will be created in here. This CSV file contains the details of added products. To view the added products, you can again click on manage products. It will again
I will
show
get
three
this option.
options. Click
I will
on 2 to view products.
input 2 and it shows.
Here it shows total number of products available and the details of the product. And this is very beneficial for user because at the time of invoice generation, he don't need to specify amount of product, GST, etc. As he just need to specify the product name and then go further. For invoice generation, click on generate invoice. Now enter name of the shop like Shiv Handloom. Now it shows the available products. Enter the product name. Like a below and quantity, and here enter 1 to stop add products. As I don't want accept below, so I press 1. I will press 1. Here enter the discount and enter the customer name on the name of which invoice has to be generated. Let's say Pushkar. And here the invoice is generated. And this invoice will be saved in text file, which we'll see now. These files are automatically created due to the code which we incorporated previously. Here, sales.csv file shows the details of sold products. Let's open sales.csv file. It shows the details of the sold product, product quantity, date and time, and customer name. This file will be useful for review of sold products in future. Now click on customer sales.csv. This file contains the customer's name and amount which he paid and on which date the invoice is generated. And here we have two text files. This file shows how many invoices are generated. And now it's only one. If you generate another, it will show two. This is the invoice text file which contains shop name, date and time, customer name, products, discount and payable, and thank you line. Thanks for shopping with us. Till now, I have explained you what a new user should do. Now, we will further go with analysis. For analysis, we need more data. Present data is not sufficient for doing analysis. It needs data for last 11 days or 1 month. So I have created a sample to make you visualize that. To analyze your data, click on analysis. As you click on analysis, it shows three options. Press 1 to overview your sales per day, or press 2 to analyze your business per day, or click 3 for graphical analysis. As you click on one, it will overview the sales per day. It shows the date, total sales on that day, and the average sales of that day. All this data is created by my team to make you understand the analysis more easily. All that sample data is stored here. Now press any key to continue. Now click on 2. As you click on 2, it shows the dates of which you can analyze your data. Select any of the dates on which you want to analyze, like this date. Just copy paste it. It will show the analysis of that day. This shows how many customers visited on that day, how much they paid on that day, total number of customers on that day, that is 3. This is the high total sales on that day, and this is the highest sales on that day, and this is the average of sales on that day, and last most frequently visited customer, that is pushkar. Press any key to continue. Click on 3 for graphical analysis. After clicking on 3, we have 5 options. Press 1 for pie chart of most sold products, or press 2 for graph of last 12 days of total sales, or press 3 to see customer and sales on particular date, or press 4 for bar chart of most sold products, or press 1 to back to main menu. As you click on one, it shows the pie chart for most sold products. Now before going further, you have to go to main menu and click analysis again. Now you can click on 2 to review the sales of last 12 days. It shows the line chart showing the sales of last 12 days. Now to continue, click back to main menu and click on analysis again. Now press 3 to see customers and their sales on a particular date. Select any one date. You can enter any date. And it will show the sales and customers of that day. It shows the graph of customers visited on that day along with the amount they paid. Now again go to main menu and click on analysis. And now click on 4 to see the bar chart for most sold products. Let's see what was the sample data. This is the sales.csv file which contains customer names, date, etc. And now we have customer sales.csv file which contains sample of customers data. This file contains the customer names and along at what date they visited and how much they paid. Like Ajay visited on 4/12/20 and then he paid 4,000 like that. Whenever user performs any operation in this app, the data will saved here. He don't need to worry. On your lower right side, we have our feedback desk, which is used to give feedback or to see the feedback. To give feedback, click on feedback of customers. First, customer has to register the name. For example, me is a customer. Just to encourage customer, there is a code which say Bill Gates said, we need customers who give us feedback. That's how we improve. For example, Mihir gave the feedback. I had a very good experience about this software. After giving feedback, it, it will just give a thank you line for customers. To review the feedbacks, click on to see feedbacks. Here it shows the feedback which Mihir gave us now. To close the program, click on quit, which is under menu section. That's all in TDB. Hope you find it interesting and valuable, and big thanks from my team.